Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. The Nicola Valley is a broad and scenic region located in the southern interior of British Columbia, centered around the community of Merritt. Surrounded by rolling hills, grasslands, and distant mountain ranges, the valley is shaped by the waters of the Nicola River and nearby lakes. The area has long been known for its wide-open landscapes and its role as an important crossroads between the coast and the interior of the province. Today, the Nicola Valley remains a place where ranching traditions, natural beauty, and small-town communities come together. Long before European settlement, the Nicola Valley was home to the Nlaka'pamux and Syilx peoples who lived throughout the region for thousands of years. These indigenous communities relied on the rivers, lakes, and surrounding grasslands for fishing, hunting, and seasonal gathering. Travel routes through the valley connected interior trade networks that extended across what is now British Columbia. The valley takes its name from Chief Nicola, an important indigenous leader of the 19th century. Known for his diplomacy and leadership, Chief Nicola worked to maintain peace between indigenous communities and newcomers during a period of rapid change in the region. His influence was widely respected, and the Nicola River, Nicola Lake, and the surrounding valley were later named in recognition of his role in local history. European exploration and settlement increased during the mid-19th century, particularly during the Gold Rush era. In the late 1850s and early 1860s, prospectors passed through the Nicola Valley on their way to gold fields farther north in British Columbia. Although the valley itself did not become a major mining center, it quickly developed into an important supply route and stopping point for travelers moving between the coast and the interior. As more settlers arrived, ranching became the dominant industry in the Nicola Valley. The open grasslands and gentle hills proved ideal for raising cattle and horses. Large ranches were established throughout the region in the late 1800s, and many of them remain active today. These ranching traditions helped shape the culture and economy of the valley, giving the area a reputation as one of British Columbia's historic ranching regions. The Nicola Valley has also experienced natural challenges over the years. Flooding along the Nicola River has occasionally affected communities and farmland, and wildfires are a recurring concern in the dry interior climate. One particularly severe wildfire season in 2021 forced evacuations across parts of the valley and reminded residents of the powerful natural forces that shape life in the region. Today, the Nicola Valley is known for its peaceful landscapes and outdoor recreation. Visitors come to enjoy fishing, hiking, horseback riding, and exploring the lakes and rivers that define the region. With its rich indigenous heritage, ranching history, and wide-open scenery, the Nicola Valley continues to reflect the enduring character of British Columbia's interior.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Thanks for watching!